What shall we do if we come across a situation when we might have nothing to eat? How can we stay hungry, even if it is for a day or two? What about the family and kids? This may happen to just about anybody in the face of natural calamities like an earthquake, a pandemic, a drought, or any other unforeseen scenario. Do we have a solution for this? We, the present generation, will be highly surprised to know that our forefathers indeed visualized such situations and prepared foods that were made of all natural ingredients and could be preserved for a long time. Our ancestors were not new to such extreme situations, and they knew recipes that helped them overcome difficult times. They did not use any preservation methods. How did they prepare such recipes? That's quite the mystery. The Lost Superfoods by aaruul is a book that is said to have numerous recipes that you can store and use in any eventuality. What are the Lost Superfoods and how is it helpful? The book The Lost Superfoods comes to you with more than 126 survival recipes and techniques to preserve the food that you prepare. It tells you about various economical ways to store food and thus reduce the cost of running a refrigerator. The instructions in the book are said to be very easy to follow and try even if you do not have any cooking or food preservation knowledge. The book provides you with the exact dietary values suitable for all types of foods. While some are commonly known to all, some are lesser known or forgotten ones, but make for very interesting reading. Each recipe in the book comes to you with the details of ingredients and the process of cooking for all to follow easily. The book talks about foods that date back to various points in time for which they were used. You can prepare the same at very affordable prices, within a short time, and have them last for a long time too. You can make these recipes last for a long time without any need for refrigeration. By following the instructions given in the book, you will understand how to prevent food from going bad even in a power outage situation. You will get a book with pictures and detailed instructions about the food. The recipes actually date back to times when there were no refrigerators or electricity to preserve food. It is also not time-consuming to prepare the recipes listed in the book. The author claims that the recipes are all cost-effective and time-effective. The book comes to you with 2 bonuses. The author teaches you food preparation techniques such as 19 foods that will outlast you, 22 ingenious hacks to make food last longer, canning vegetables, how to mix your foods for maximum benefit, and how just $5 a week can get your family over 295 pounds of food. The book contains all practical information, with details of ingredients, and where to source them with a bit of Google search. Interestingly, you will also understand the origin, history, and uses of the foods and their ingredients. Pros. The book comes to you with recipes that have since been forgotten, but worth retrieving. The recipes are tested and tried by today's experts. The recipes given in the book were tried and used by our ancestors for a long time in all their tough times like wars and natural calamities. The simple and easy to understand instructions can be followed easily even if you do not have any expertise in cooking. The recipes do not take long to prepare. All the recipes in the book can be preserved for a minimum period of 1 year at least without using the refrigerator or any other preserving methods. The ingredients of the recipes are nutritional, natural, and homegrown. Cons. I'm not too sure of all the facts given in the book. All the ingredients may not be that easily available now. As the author puts it, you will find it easy to handle any crisis where you run the risk of food shortage. Unlike the other products available on the market, Lost Superfoods teaches you to preserve all food without any chemicals or any other gadgets, and yet get all the nutrients needed for the body. Based on the reviews of the users, I understand that the book works towards making each one of us self-sufficient and aware of surviving skills in any kind of calamity. You can rest assured that a few tough moments can change your entire life for a long time to come. It is imperative that we recollect the natural foods our ancestors knew and are prepared to stay for many years without any preservation techniques. Upon going through the contents, my opinion is that it is a good buy for you to have in your store, as you can save the lives of your beloved ones in case of any emergency. Also, some things mentioned in the book made me very surprised. How could we not know this? With a money-back guarantee, you are never at risk of losing your investment. So why not give it a try and see if you can put the knowledge to some use? The content, reviews, and testimonials make me rate this program with 5 stars. Get the Lost Superfoods now from the link below. Thanks for watching.